So, as we're coming here into the home stretch, if we flip over to 105, a convenient little method to save a little bit of coding when you are assigning the arithmetic expression or the answer of an arithmetic expression back to a variable is with what is known as a combined assignment operator. Really, if you look at the table at the bottom of page 105, that's what we're talking about, really. Is the operators plus equals, minus equals, times equals, divide equals, and modulus equals can take the place of a much longer expression like we would see up in the previous table 3 dot or 3-8. So for example, the plus equals operator, you can see kind of the equivalent to, I suppose, right there on that table 3.9. So x plus equals 5 is the same or equivalent to x equals x plus 5. Now remember, when you are creating an arithmetic expression, even if it's something as simple as this, absolutely positively put those parentheses in there. It's a nod to you later on so that you can look at this equation more simply. It's a nod to whatever developer comes after you so that they can look at this a little more simply. Over a long enough career and timeline, I can tell you everybody who's done development where we've worked with expressions, where we work with arithmetic essentially, is we have learned to hate to look at them essentially. Everybody has, their own idea of what is easy in an arithmetic operation, and that's different for everybody. Enforcing the order of operations there with a simple parentheses, it's 2 additional keystrokes for you when you're entering in that very, very simple x plus 5 expression. But really, at the end of the day, it saves time on the back end when you come back to look at your code in 2 months, in 2 years, or when you're looking at somebody else's code in 2 months or 2 years after they've already left. You can look at that and far, far more clearly see, yeah, this is what we were supposed to be looking at here is a simple arithmetic operation, or here's a more complicated one. So these combined operators, minus equals is the same as y equals y minus 2, and so on and so forth. It turns out to be a really small, concise way to look at building expressions, and it does save a little bit of time and ambiguity.